Simple tips and tricks for caring for your dog. When you own a dog, you will understand why people consider them a part of the family instead of just a pet. As they gaze lovingly at you with their big, glistening eyes, your heart will melt. Your wallet will also become much lighter thanks to everything you need to care for them properly. This video will help you learn what dog ownership means for you and how to do it right. Groom your dog regularly. A dog requires constant grooming to keep his coat in tip-top condition. Make sure that your dog is completely relaxed before you start the grooming session. This is especially important if he is excitable. Keep the session quite short, 5 to 10 minutes at most, until he is comfortable with the idea of being groomed. Most importantly, be sure to praise him and offer a treat after a successful grooming session. Your lifestyle can help determine what dog breed is a good match for you. For instance, joggers may want dogs that can run along with them, instead of a toy breed that cannot. By the same token, if you are a quiet person, you should choose a quiet lap dog. Getting a dog that matches your lifestyle will make you both more happy. Pick and choose when you are going to groom your dog. You do not want to attempt grooming when your pet is in a particularly frisky mood, because the process will not go well. Instead, do so only when your dog is calm and tired, like after you have taken him for an especially long walk. It is important for you to take your dog in to see the vet on a fairly regular basis. Just like humans, dogs can develop health problems like toothaches, arthritis and weight gain. Do not wait until you think your dog is sick before taking him in to be seen. Giving your dog a bath is essential to his health. Depending on his size and activity level, toss him in the tub weekly or monthly and always use a shampoo that is made for dogs and is pH balanced. Pets have different pH levels than humans, and a good dog shampoo will leave your canine clean with a beautiful shiny coat. Your new family member, or the dog you've loved for many years, will be so thankful once you start changing your habits to better suit them. As you use the tips in this video, both his and your life will become better. Giving your dog what he deserves is the best feeling ever. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.